When the Case family began producing knives and razors 115 years ago, they could hardly have imagined that their knives would become a symbol of Americana. Today, Case knives are the favorite of knife collectors worldwide.
Welcome to W.R Case & Sons Cutlery Company.
Join us as we tour the Case plant and discover just what it takes to make the world's most collectible knife. The production process begins as the knife blades, liners, bolsters, and springs are blanked from the highest quality rolled steel, brass, and nickel silver. From here, the blades are formed to eliminate any bowing that may have occurred. They are then racked to facilitate profile grinding, the process that begins to produce the unique contour of the knife blade. At this point, the metals are heat treated for optimal hardness. The steel is first heated to temperatures of nearly 2,000 degrees, then quenched and cooled in air or oil heated to 150 degrees. This is the foundation of our famed tested XX trademark. All blades receive one X stamp for each cycle in the tempering oven. We now proceed to several other grinding operations, where technology and handcrafting begin to converge to produce the perfect blade. Blades may be precisely ground on either our concave or flat taper grinders. On some patterns, hand grinding is still used. From here, the blades are vigorously mixed with polishing stones in a series of polishing bowls, a demanding sequence that takes up to 27 hours to complete. They are then placed in a mixture of dried corn cob, a tried and true method of drying hardened steel. Simultaneous to the knife's blades being perfected, the bone covers are taking shape. Initially, the raw bone is jigged or textured, then dyed to give the knife cover its distinct feel and color. This exotic bone material is imported from Brazil because of its amazing strength and durability. Although most case knife covers are made of this bone, a variety of other materials such as stag, mother of pearl, wood, and even synthetics are also used. Once produced, the knife cover is affixed to a liner, and the cover is bored to accommodate the famous case shield. Back in assembly, we witness how all these separate parts come together to make a case knife. As an example, with our Seahorse Whittler knife, the cover is placed on a fixture, with the center pin followed by two springs, two small blades, a catch bit, and finally the opposite cover. With these parts in place, the fixture allows the main blade to be placed in the knife, and the nickel-silver nails are driven in to set them in place. Then the nails and center pin are cut to length. Next, the nails are riveted, locking the knife components in place, and the center pin is spun, holding the knife together. At Case, it's all about precision. When our knife leaves assembly, it is still a rough version of the case knife it will become. This is where the hefters work their magic. No operation in the Case factory is more indicative of hand craftsmanship than hefting. The hefter must have a steady hand and a gentle touch to round the knife's bolsters and shape the covers to fit flush, giving the knife its unique shape. Push too hard and the cover is ruined. Don't push hard enough and the pin doesn't blend into the bolster. Case associates then run the knives over a series of buffing wheels, further blending any hard edges or corners. Now it's time to make the knives really shine. Each case knife is carefully buffed on a soft gloss buffing wheel to give the knife that mirror polish finish. After hefting and buffing, the typical blade has an edge only a few thousandths of an inch thick, incredibly thin, but not yet sharp. The secret to sharpening is the honing. Working with both hands, veteran Case associates hone each blade to perfection. The knife is held at just the correct angle so that the thickness of the blade from the top of the hone to the edge is consistent. This is followed by yet another high polish finishing to remove any burrs. From here, the assembled knife receives still another hand cleaning and visual inspection. Details, details, details. We fuss over them endlessly because they pay off with the perfect knife. Often, case knives are used to commemorate a special event. Whether engraving intricate scroll work on the bolsters, laser engraving a corporate logo on the cover, or on the knife's packaging, Case associates give these knives their own distinct personality. Now there's one last opportunity for touch-up, one last cleaning and oiling, one last visual inspection. Then each knife is wrapped in a tarnish-resistant paper and shipped to a Case-authorized dealer. While much has changed since the Case brothers opened their first shop over a century ago, we've just shown you the one thing that hasn't changed, the hand craftsmanship that has been the company's hallmark throughout its proud history. Witness the crafting of a time-honored Case hunting knife. One look at this Case artisan will dispel any notions of an automated mass production process. You see, at Case, we believe in craftsmanship practiced by people who possess skills no machine, no matter how remarkable, can ever match. Handcrafted knives backed by over 100 years of experience and expertise. That's Case.
Learn more about W.R Case & Sons Cutlery Company, our history, our handcrafted knives, and more by visiting our website at www.wrcase.com or by contacting Case Consumer Relations at 1-800-523-6350. The Case Collectors Club is the largest known knife collectors club in the world. Members enjoy a full-color quarterly magazine, exclusive merchandise offers, personalized factory tours, and much more. If you'd like to become a member, contact us toll-free at 1-800-523-6350, or again, visit our website at www.wrcase.com for more information.